Morning, welcome back to another vlog. We are, as you know, on our way back from Yukon. I'm just moving out of the motel. As I showed in the previous vlog, it's nothing special, but it was so much nicer than staying in the car. Now, today's plan of action, okay? Here's what we're gonna do. Because I haven't yet been to Kelowna. I've been to Kamloops before in the past when I last visited British Columbia. So I'm not really gonna hang around here too long. I just wanna go get some breakfast and then get on the road. And I wanna head to Kelowna. I'm not gonna visit the cities because I'm not a huge fan of cities, right? So what I've done is I've kind of got a route which is gonna loop us around past Kelowna and then go across via Chilliwack back into Vancouver, where we're gonna end the evening, hopefully, if everything goes well, back at the apartment where we've been staying. So that is our plan of action. So let me go and get some food and then we're gonna get started. I first of all just need to, turn all the lights off if I can find all the light switches. There's one. Kamloops is honestly dry as hell, and it's kind of known for being a bit of a desert kind of place because it's just really hot all the time, and I think there might even be some like cactus or something, right? It's just a really dry town or city. I don't know what they call it as. It's honestly drier than Weetabix without the milk. Like it's just so flaky. It ain't. It is just like barren, but it's a nice place. I mean, I think they do skiing here as well, so it's kind of cool. It is a good place. They got some nice hikes, I must admit. I'm not slating it. I ain't slating it. It's a nice place. Just dry. I made it to Monte Lake, but I don't think I'm gonna go swimming in this one. It looks a little bit murky. Like it's got, what's that? It's got like a load of like weed and stuff in it, like duckweed, I'm assuming, and similar bits. It don't look as nice as the pictures, that's for sure. There is a really cool bird though on the lake, so I'm gonna have to go grab my camera because I've been trying to figure out what it is, but it's like flying in the back part of the lake. It's definitely like a bird of prey, so if we can capture it, that'd be a nice little find for the start of the day. All right, I'm gonna pop back down to the water's edge because that's where I could see it. There's also something up on that tree, so I'm gonna zoom in as well, see what we can spot. I think one of them bullied the other one out of the tree. So the one I was looking at in the tree has now gone. I've just been driving for a while now, right? I've still got like 40 minutes before we get to this next destination, but I've just been thinking to myself about the whole, first road trip experience. So like going into this road trip, I didn't really have a plan other than my end goal was that I wanted to get up to Yukon and back again. That was it. That was the one goal. I wanted to do something big, something crazy that would allow me to see a lot more of BC than I already have seen over the last like 2.5 months. I'm really glad as to how it went. It was really smooth. I definitely feel like I've seen a lot more of BC and have a much bigger appreciation for it than when I first was here and all I was doing was like spending time in Vancouver and going and doing day trips from there. Don't get me wrong, Vancouver is a beautiful city and it's also got some incredible, I'd say, activities in and around it, and it's been great. However, I just thought it wasn't a fair representation and I'd be doing myself a disservice if I didn't get to know a little bit more of the province, and I have. I mean, I've seen a lot more of it. I feel like Vancouver is just a small part. It's just a drop in the ocean considering with what else is out there. It's just awesome. It's kind of taught me that in life you don't always have to have a plan, and that it's very easy to get kind of hung up on creating one and having it to be perfect, you know. It's one of those things. I've just missed my turning on this ramble. All right, we're gonna take another direction. But this is my point, right? We've just gone down the wrong road. That doesn't matter. We'll find another road and we'll go down it. And it's the same way with when you're doing something like this, or just in life in general. You don't need to get hung up on things going exactly how you wanted them to go all the time. I know that was me back in the day. I was like, things had to work out the way I thought they were going to work out, and then if they didn't, it just put me in a state of mind that wasn't the greatest. It was difficult. It made things challenging for me. Whereas now, through this, I've kind of learned that if it doesn't go to plan, all it means is that I'm going to learn something new, and it's going to be a little bit more of an adventure, which I'm totally down with. I think, you know, that just adds to the excitement of it, really. So that's one thing I've learned, definitely, which I'm taking forward, and hopefully you've learned a thing or two from me as well, and from this experience, because I mean, it's been awesome. We've seen more culture, we've explored the land more, we've learned a bit more about ourselves, what we can and can't handle. We've had some challenges here and there. Overall, it's just been such a positive experience, and I can only look forward now to what's to come, which I would love to say I know, but I don't. all I do know is that the traveling is going to continue. I don't know where just yet. I'm feeling that I need some time to replenish the finances a little bit, because especially after this road trip, it has costed me a little bit more money than I initially thought it would. But that's okay, because I've kind of learned that in life money comes and goes. So it's not the end of the world, you know. We can always just earn it back if we need to. Made it, a little bit of a long drive. I don't know if I meant to leave my car where I've left it, so I'm just going to literally pop up quickly, check out the lookout point, and then get straight back to the car. Because we're seriously high up. It's really dry up here too, like really dry. Oh, it looks kind of crazy, you know. Like, just the surrounding areas is nuts. Wow. Oh, this is impressive. This is seriously impressive. Wow. Yeah, look at this. So this is the Oyama lookout point in 3, 2, 1. How cool is that? That's really cool. That's really, really cool. Wow. I think we've just found another hidden gem for the trip. Cheeky little side quest unlocked. This view's even better because you get the whole vineyard, but check this out. You ready? That's insane. That's really cool. Right, I'm gonna get a little clip on the camera and then we're gonna hop straight back in the car, because it's still got quite a bit of driving to do. As you can tell, it doesn't look like we're anywhere near Vancouver based on the scenery, because it's way too dry and it's just, there's no cityscape. This low-key kind of feels like the GTA mountain that you have to go on. I have packed the bear spray just in case anything kind of comes near me, because it's really, really remote. So I'm just playing it safe. I feel like this is somewhere, and I don't want to jinx it, I feel like this is definitely terrain where you might see like a cougar or something like that. So I'm just being a little bit wary. Like, it's well dusty, look. Yeah, not ideal. I just had a really close little look at a bird of prey. I have no idea what it was either. It's just sat up in that tree now, which is kind of cool. We're really close to it. All right, let me see if I can get some footage. I can confirm it's a raven. It's still quite cool. I do like a raven. Well, that was the lookout point. I reckon we got to get back in the car now, surely. Got to get back in the car, drive all the way back down, and then make our way to the next point. Got to keep it moving today, we've got quite a bit of driving. That was a nice little secret spot there. I like that. That was wicked. Got to fill up the car again before we carry on with this road trip, and I swear at this point I'm basically the car's personal bartender, like just constantly giving it drinks. Like a cheeky shot of petrol. Yeah. Not too bad price here either, which is quite nice, because the amount of times I fill this car up, I'm basically breaking the bank. Alright, it's all done. Sweet. This is more of a car chat, this one, isn't it, really? But these roads are horrific. I mean, they're really smooth, but the layout in terms of where are the stripes? I can't see the stripes, so I don't know if I'm driving on the right side of the road or not. They've just got these tiny little white dots that come up from time to time, and I'm getting distracted as it is with the mountains because they look beautiful as always, but a white dot is not clear enough. Come on now. I've just had to merge onto here and I had no idea what lane I'm in, and then people are beeping at me. I can't help that. I can't help that at all. It's literally got a white dot on the floor. How am I meant to see? It's a white dot. Found a spot for the car, just a little bit of a field, because the car park itself is absolutely packed. I gotta be honest, it's been a long day of driving and it's not been the most successful. But we have at least made it here, so we're gonna go just for a quick little walk and get to the falls. Although this one, sadly, it's a little bit more touristy again, which is a shame. I think it's because the closer we are to like the cities and bits, obviously the more touristy, because people probably don't want to go as far. They want to do the easy missions. They don't want to go as far and do the harder missions where you kind of gotta, you know, you got to travel for a while. So it is what it is. Like, we're gonna make our way to the park now anyway. It's just like a short walk up the road, and then hopefully not too far until we get to the waterfalls. It says it's about a 15-minute little hike on this lovely paved trail. Told ya, BC and their hills. There's a massive red sign that says don't come here, or like don't proceed past, it's dangerous. Look how many people. Can't be that dangerous, can it? Surely not. Just a quick little scramble up. We will be fine. We've done worse. I think this is more of a main mission quest. Everyone's just here for the XP. Either way, this is Bridal Falls in 3, 2, 1. I can see why this is a main mission quest. I can see it now. Temperature check. Yeah. Oh, that's decent, eh? What a way to end it on a high. This is going to be the last thing we see, I reckon, before we get back to the apartment. So it's actually kind of nice that it's this impressive. Do I just dunk my head under? Yeah, go on. That'll do. Ah. Completed it. Ah, that was nice. Officially, Bridal Falls. Completed it. And now my hair's already dried off because it's actually that warm outside. You know our one's been on a bit of a road trip, don't you? You just do. You just know it. It's absolutely filthy. Absolutely filthy compared with all the other cars, which are nice and shiny. Oh. Alright. Let's get driving. Woo. We're home. What a long day. What a long journey. What an amazing journey, actually. I think we can officially say Vancouver to Yukon and back again. Completed it. Yes. What a road trip. Wow. I don't want this to get too sobby because I know last night I did get a little bit emotional. Got a little bit emotional. And there we go, the hat's off as well. The hair is horrific, but who cares? Yeah, I'm not gonna get too emotional today because last night I definitely was, but I feel like it is officially the end of a little journey. Wow. We've achieved so much, we've seen a lot. We've seen an awful lot, and every day has been jam-packed. And I've loved it, I've loved every minute, every single minute. And I'm so glad I was able to share it with you as well the whole time. Just awesome, yeah. I mean, what's not awesome is the amount of laundry I've got to do now because I pretty much packed all the clothes that I brought with me to Canada and I've now got to go and wash them all. Probably gonna do that in the morning. I do need some sleep. I also need a bit of food because I'm starving. Surprise, surprise. I could have done that forever. But you know what? Sometimes a good journey has to come to an end, right? And we've completed this one, which means we now need to start thinking about the next journey, which I have no idea what it's gonna be just yet. But we are going to continue, and I think the road trips are here to stay in the future. Almost every country we go to, don't hold me to it, but all the big countries or the longer trips we do, I've definitely got to do a road trip in there because you get to see so much more and they're so much fun. I do just want to say a special thank you if you've watched all the way to the end of this particular vlog, because it does officially mark the end of our Vancouver to Yukon and back again trip. And if you did enjoy it, be sure to hit that like button. If you are new here and you enjoyed this one and you want to stay up to date with all the other adventures that are to come, specifically travel-wise, because that's what we're doing. We like to travel around and vlog the experiences, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. As always, I will see you soon. Bye.